You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is y smaller than 20. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is y smaller than 20.